Students, I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Students, this is your English period. I'm your English teacher. So, today we will study English language. Everybody open lesson number 4, page number 14. The lesson is punctuation marks. Okay, today we will study what is punctuation marks and how many types of punctuation marks are there. So, open your book, write down classwork and put the date. We will start the study. Okay. As I told you that today we will study English language. So, everybody open page number 14 and open chapter number 4, that is punctuation mark. Write down classwork, put the date, that is 17 November 2020, right? Today we will study punctuation mark. Now let me tell you what is punctuation mark. Punctuation marks are symbols that used to break up words in groups. They are some symbols which break it into groups and they give a clear meaning, a clarity and an understanding of written or spoken language. You can write it also or you can speak up also. The punctuation marks help the reader or the listener to understand it clearly when he is reading or listening. Right? Now, I will tell you some punctuation marks. Number 1 is full stop. Now, number 2, that is comma. Number 3, it is question mark. Number 4, it is exclamation mark. Number 5, it is inverted commas. Right? Number 6, it is apostrophe. You have seen that we use full stop when we end a sentence. Students, these full stop, comma, question mark, inverted comma, exclamation mark, apostrophe, they all are called as punctuation marks. So, first one is full stop. This is the sign of full stop. Let's read it. It is the most common punctuation mark. Whenever we make a statement, we put a full stop or a period at its end. It is very clear that whenever we end a sentence, we put a full stop. See, lion is the king of forest. We put a full stop in the end. She is my sister. Then also we put a full stop. Let's come to comma. Comma is used to indicate slight pause or break between parts of sentences. It breaks the sentences, means वो तोड़ देता है sentences को. We use comma for more than 2 names. Where we use comma where there are more than 2 names of people, places or things are mentioned in one sentence. And there we use this sign. This is called comma. Let's see the example. Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are very big cities. Yes, I like to eat mangoes. Over here you can see after Pune we are using comma. After Mumbai we are using comma, right? After Kolkata, we are not using comma because over here we are using and. Before and after and we don't use comma. See, yes, I like to eat mangoes. Yes, after that we use comma. Now, Abhinav, Sanchit, Mayank and Nikhil are playing hockey. Over here you will notice after Abhinav we use comma. After Sanchit we use comma, right? Now question mark. Question mark. This is a sign of question mark. You all know question mark. Question mark is always put at the end of the question. When will you come back from your grandparents' home? This girl is asking a question, so we put a question mark. What is your favorite game? Again a question is put. Is he your teammate? Then also question mark. Are you coming to the party tonight? Again question mark. Now exclamation mark. This is the sign of exclamation mark. One stick and then we put a dot after that. One line and then we put a dot. This mark is used at the end of those sentences or words which show surprise, joy, anger, shock. When somebody gives you surprise, you all get surprised, right? When you got a birthday surprise, when you are happy, you are in a joyful you are in a joyful mood. Anger, when you are angry, over there anger is formed. When you see something very mysterious or very shocking, then you are in a state of shock. Over there we use exclamation mark. What a beautiful flower this is, right? We use exclamation mark. How horrible the accident was. We use exclamation mark. Oh no, I forgot my pencil box at home. See, he is shocked. It is a joy that this flower is so beautiful. It is a shock that how horrible the accident is. Wow, what a beautiful picture. Again, it is a joy. Now, inverted commas. These marks are used to quote the words someone says. Someone says man, someone says some special things. Then we use inverted commas. This is the sign of inverted commas. 2 commas downwards and 2 commas upwards. He says, I have no money. She said, I shall act in the play. Bhagat said, I love my motherland more than myself. My father says, always obey your elders. Now, apostrophe. This is the sign of apostrophe. It is used with S to show that a thing or a person belongs to somebody. It is said that possessiveness is shown, that it belongs to me, that this is my pencil. See, this is mine pencil. I borrowed Satvik's bicycle. Whose bicycle is? Satvik's. So we will use a apostrophe and then we will put a comma. Then we will put a S. He is Prime Minister's security guard. Prime Minister's security guard, right? We will put an apostrophe sign, and then we will put S. Sheep's fur is very thick. You all know sheep's fur is used for wool, so it is very thick. Sheep, after that we put apostrophe and S. He is my friend's brother. We will put apostrophe sign and then S. Let's come to study some more examples. Full stop. The sun rises in the east. Over here you can see the full stop is we are using at the end. The doctor rolled in the grass. We use it in the end. Then comma. Trisha, Riya, Raj, Ajay, Ishan are playing football. We are using comma in between. See. Orange, blue, purple and green are my favorite colors. Over here also we are using comma. Question mark, where we put some question. How are you? We are using question mark. Who is Mr. Arya? Question mark. Exclamation mark, when we are in a state of surprise, joy, anger or shock. How clever the crow is. We put exclamation mark. Hooray! We have won the match. It is a state of joy. Now, inverted commas. We put commas like this. My father says always obey your elders. See, I'm using inverted commas, students. He says, I have no money. Apostrophe, I borrowed Nikhil's bicycle. It is Nikhil's bicycle, right? Nikhil, and we put write the name of the boy, and then we put apostrophe and S. Apostrophe is always used with S. He is my friend's brother. Like friends, we put apostrophe and then S. So students, we completed the explanation part of the lesson 4, that is punctuation mark. So students, that's all for today. I have explained you what is punctuation marks and where it is used, how many types of punctuation marks are there. So revise it, learn it, and your homework is learn the examples of punctuation marks. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.